Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I wanted a little bit of extra room on my desk, and so I decided to try out this acrylic laptop stand. I'm so impressed by the quality of this stand from SOUNDANCE. This stand could not have been easier to put together. It literally came with two pieces, and once you click it together, it stays put. The acrylic on this is really wide. I was really impressed by how thick it is, so I really feel as if I have a great stable surface for my laptop. I've noticed from using this that not only is my laptop a little bit cooler, but I really like how it changes the look if I'm on a meeting, and also how it gives me some extra space on my desk. The stand is made of that nice thick acrylic material, so I really feel that it's well supporting my laptop. I also really like that it has a clear look to it, so I don't feel like it takes up a lot of space, but rather my laptop stays right into the edge of it and I can get about my day without having to worry. I've had cooling pads for my laptop, but I really like this option of the stand because it creates extra space on my desk rather than taking up more. You'll be so impressed with the quality and durability of this stand, and that's my point of view.